Good morning, students. Myself Renu Yadav, and today I will teach you Computer Chapter 2, Part 2, Knowing Windows. Windows 7 contains a number of standard applications called accessories. Some of these applications include Paint, Wordpad, Notepad, Calculator, etc., which are used quite often. These applications help us perform various tasks easily and quickly. To access any of these applications, we need to follow few steps. The accessories folders accessible through the Windows Start menu is home to multiple useful programs. These programs include, as we discussed, Calculator, Notepad, Paint, etc. Now, to access any of these applications, we need to follow few steps, and those steps are: step number 1, click on the Start button. Step number 2, click All Programs. Step number 3, click on Accessories. Here you can see how accessories appears on your computer screen. Uses of different accessories. These are some of the accessories present in Windows 7 operating system. The first one is Calculator. A calculator performs basic arithmetical tasks with on-screen calculations. In Windows 7, the calculator can be used as a basic calculator as well as a scientific calculator or a programming calculator and statistical calculator. To use the calculator, we need to follow these steps. Select the Start menu, then in the Search Programs and Files text box, type Calculator, select the calculator, select View. In View, you will get 4 types of calculator, that is Standard, Scientific, Programmer and Statistic, and then according to your need, choose the type of calculator you want to use. Here you can see how a calculator appears on your screen. Command prompt. It allows you to interact with your operating system using keyboard. Command prompt is a command line interpreter application available in most Windows operating systems. It's used to execute entered commands. Most of those commands automate tasks via scripts and batch files, perform advanced administration functions, and troubleshoot or solve certain kinds of Windows issues. Command prompt is officially called Windows Command Processor, but it also sometimes referred to as the command shell or CMD prompt, or even by its file name cmd.exe. Here you can see how command prompt appears on your computer screen. Network projector. Network projector is a video projector that's connected to a wireless or wired local area network. What sets the network projector apart from other presentation methods is that you can connect to and operate the projector remotely over a network connection. If your computer can connect to the projector, you can deliver a presentation from any location that has network access, whether it's your private office or a conference room where the projector is located. Here you can see how a network projector will appear on your computer screen. Getting started. Getting started is the accessory to learn and start using various features of Windows 7. Here is how getting started will appear on your computer screen. Math Input Panel. Math Input Panel is a great little application from Windows which lets you use input devices such as touchscreen, external digitizers, or even a mouse to write mathematical formulas that are automatically recognized and can be inserted into different types of documents. The formulas you write in Math Input Panel are pasted into documents in a completely editable form so that you can work with the output as you would edit any type of text. Here you can see how Math Input Panel will appear on your screen. Notepad. Notepad is a simple text editor for Microsoft Windows and a basic text editing program which enables computer users to create documents. It was first released as a mouse-based MS-DOS program in 1983 and has been included in all versions of Microsoft Windows since Windows 1 in 1985. Here you can see how Notepad appears on your screen. Paint. Microsoft Paint. For normally Paintbrush, not to be confused with the Mac OS X application. Paintbrush is a simple raster graphics editor that has been included with all versions of Microsoft Windows. The program opens and saves files in Windows bitmap, BMP, JPEG, GIF, PNG and single page TIFF formats. Here you can see how Paint will appear on your computer screen. Remote desktop connection is used to connect one computer to another computer at some other place to access files or folders. Remote desktop connection is a Microsoft technology that allows a local PC to connect to and control a remote PC over a network or the internet. Here you can see how remote desktop connection will appear on your computer screen. Run. A Windows 7 run command is just the executable for a particular program. In other words, a run command is the name of the actual file that starts an application. Knowing a Windows 7 run command can be helpful if Windows won't start, but you do have access to command prompt. Here you can see how run command will appear on your computer screen. Snipping tool. Snipping tool is a Microsoft Windows screenshot utility included in Windows Vista and later. It can take still screenshots of an open window, rectangular areas, a free-form area or the entire screen. Snips can then be annotated using a mouse or a tablet, stored as an image file or an HTML file or email. Here you can see how snipping tool will appear on your computer screen. Sound recorder. Sound recorder lets you record a sound and save it as an audio file on your computer. This will show you how to open and use Sound Recorder in Windows 7. You can record sound from different audio devices such as a microphone that's plugged into the sound card or motherboard audio link in jack on your computer. The types of audio input sources you can record from depend on the audio devices you have and the input sources on your sound card or motherboard. To use sound recorder, you must have a sound card or motherboard with a audio line in jack and speakers installed on your computer. If you want to record sound, you will also need a microphone or some other audio input device. Here you can see how sound recorder appears on your computer screen. Sticky notes. Sticky notes is a desktop notes application included in Windows 7, 8 and 10. It was present in Windows Vista as a gadget for the Windows sidebar and originated in Windows XP Tablet Edition in 2002. The program allows users to take notes using post-it note like Windows on their desktop. It is used to create short, handwritten or text-based notes. Here you can see how sticky notes will appear on your screen. Sync Center. The Synchronization Center is a Windows feature which allows you to synchronize data between computers and mobile devices or files or network drives. Here you can see how Sync Center will appear on your computer screen. Windows Explorer. Windows Explorer is the main tool that you use to interact with Windows 7. You will need to use the Windows Explorer to view your libraries, files, and folders. You can access Windows Explorer by clicking the Start menu and then clicking either computer or one of your many folders such as documents, pictures, or music. Here you can see how Windows Explorer comes on your computer screen. Windows Mobility Center. Windows Mobility Center displays the most commonly used laptop settings such as display brightness, volume, battery status, wireless network status, external display, Sync Center and presentation settings in one location for quicker access in Windows. By default, the Windows Mobility Center feature is only enabled and available on laptops, notebooks, and tablet PCs. Windows Mobility Center will appear like this on your computer screen. Wordpad. Wordpad is a basic word processor that is included with almost all versions of Microsoft Windows. It is more advanced than Microsoft Notepad but simpler than Microsoft Word and the discounted Microsoft Works. It replaced Microsoft Write. It is used quite often to edit text documents with advanced formatting. Here you can see how Wordpad will appear on your screen. Taskbar. It is the long bar at the bottom of the desktop. It has a start button, quick launch bar, system tray, and show desktop button. It also shows icons for the currently opened running programs. Quick launch bar. This launches an application quickly. You can open the respective application by single clicking on its icon on the quick launch bar. System tray. This displays the current date and time. Show desktop button. This button minimizes all the open programs and displays the desktop. Here you can see how the taskbar will appear on your screen. Setting date and time. The date and clock on your computer keep good time, but you might have to provide the correct date and time for your location. To set the date and time on your computer, step 1. Right-click the date, time, display on the taskbar, and then choose Adjust Time Date from the shortcut menu. Step 2. Click the Change Date and Time button. Step 3. Enter a new time in the time filed. Step 4. If you wish, click on a new date in the calendar display and then click OK. Here you can see how date and time appear on your computer screen. Shortcut menu. Using shortcut menus, you can quickly edit an object or data by choosing commands directly from a shortcut menu, also called a context menu or contextual menu. To display a shortcut menu, right-click or control-click an object or an area to see a list of commands. Let's move forward towards the exercises. Fill in the blanks. Question 1. Windows 7 is developed by the company Microsoft. Question number 2. Windows 7 uses GUI to perform various operations. Question number 3. Windows has many types that are called versions. Question 4. A folder may have one or more files in it. 5. Files may be created in all programs in Windows. 6. Files or folders can be copied to different locations. 7. Accessories in Windows 7 helps us to perform various tasks easily and quickly. Activity time. Join the first letter of each word together to form some useful MS window accessories. Write any one use of every accessory. So the first group of words are women, orange, rose, drum, pencil, aeroplane, and with their initials we get Wordpad. Wordpad is used to edit text documents with advanced formatting. Question 2. Doll, pot, aunt, ice cream, nose, train. With its initials we get paint. To create and edit drawings. Moving towards extra question. A. Multiple choice questions. A folder is a collection of one or more words, text, or files. The answer is files. B. Give very short answers to the following questions. Question 1. Name any two versions of Windows. Answer. The two versions of Windows are Windows Vista, Windows 10. Question 2. What is the use of sound recorder present in Windows 7? Answer. Sound recorder is used to record sound and save it in computer. Question C. Give short answers to the following questions. Number 1. What are the advantages of a GUI operating system? Answer. GUI, Graphic User Interface, provides icons, buttons, and many more features that help in performing various operations. Question 2. What is the use of sticky notes option? Answer. Sticky notes is used to create short, handwritten or text-based notes. Answer the following questions in detail. 1. Write the steps to create a folder. Answer. Steps to create a folder. Step 1. Move the mouse on any blank space on the desktop. Right-click the mouse. A shortcut menu appears on the screen. Step 2. Move the cursor on New option. A new submenu appears. Step 3. Click and select the folder option. A new folder appears. Step 4. Type and give a name to the new folder. Now the folder is ready to store files in it. Answer the following questions verbally. 1. What do you mean by versions of a software? Answer. Version is a way to categorize the unique states of computer software as it is developed. Question 2. What is the use of Mac input panel present in Windows 7 operating system? Answer. Mac input panel is used to enter formulae and mathematical inputs. Fill in the blanks. 1. MS Windows controls all activities related to operation in a computer. 2. Snipping tool is used to select a portion of screen to save or share an image. Answer the following questions in brief. 1. What is the procedure of selecting multiple adjacent files or folders? Answer. To select adjacent files or folders, click on the first file or folder to be selected. Hold the Shift key and now select the last file or folder. All the adjacent files or folders are selected. Question 2. Write the use of Wordpad present in Windows 7. Answer. Wordpad is used quite often to edit text documents with advanced formatting. Identify the following pictures and write their names. Few pictures are given here. The first picture is a red and black colored picture, which is a joystick. The second is a pen-like structure with 8 GB is written on it. It is a USB which can store 8 GB data. And the third one is a sound recorder. Activity. The following are the devices of a computer. Categorize them appropriately. CU, monitor, joystick, ALU, speaker, mouse, RAM, ROM, MU, CD, printer, keyboard. Input device. Input devices are keyboard, mouse and joystick. Output devices are monitor, speaker, printer. Processing devices are CU, MU, ALU and storage devices are CD, RAM and ROM. With this, I end up with the topic. Thank you.